Hello and welcome, Lloyd Scott here from SpaceLogic. Today we're at the Orange Private Hospital, a hospital run by the Nexus Healthcare Group. At SpaceLogic, we believe that every hospital should have access to world-class storage solutions. Like Nexus Healthcare, they believe a local hospital should provide world-class patient experience. We're going to take you up to level 4 and show you the storage solutions and the latest technology that enables this healthcare group to provide the fantastic service that it does. So now we're on level 4 up in the main sterile stock store. The guys have done a magnificent job here. They've utilised every colour in the SpaceLogic colour range for the colour coding. They've got a range of the complete baskets for all their consumable stock, from the sloping fine mesh through to the 180 standard mesh for the bulk items, and then all the flat shelves for all the sterile packs. We'd love to take this opportunity to welcome you here, Nexus Healthcare, to the hometown of SpaceLogic in the colour city of Orange. It's been a pleasure working with you, and we look forward to working with you on other projects in the future.